Let's talk about the AIQ1 indicator. We use it for two modes. One, you can use it for reversal and trend continuation trades. Number two, we can configure it differently and use it for momentum burst and the mom signals. So here is a pre-market on Wednesday, and we're running up out of the CPI news. Had a bit of a pause. Market came down, came back up, retested, rolled over. Here we were coming into the US cash session open, the stock period, and so on. So right now I have the AIQ indicator, which is a multi-roll indicator, set up on a bit of a higher time frame, something where you look for the bigger picture moves on a daily basis. That's one way you can use it for hyper scalping. So right now I have just the reversal vertical lines. A person could also add the dots if they wanted to. And that's like giving you a heads up you may be getting a reversal to take place. I'm going to leave those off for now. It's kind of a heads up tool, and that adjusts with the responsiveness rate adjustment of the actual vertical stripes. We do have audible tones, and they are out. All this stuff is outputs that can be used with third-party tools for whatever you're doing with third-party tools. So let's clean that out. So right now we had the lift, we had that rotation lower, we had some pushes, came up double top, rotation lower. So Dodger Blue is down, Aqua is up. And as we get into the US cash session, we came down, traded into this area of prior support, pre-market, just ahead of the CPI news. And then we get a reversal signal to the upside. Reversal signal to the downside, some trend continuation, reversal signals, reversal signal the upside, reversal signal the downside, and so on. Now, the nice thing is you can go in and adjust the sensitivity of the indicator. I could make it less sensitive. Like I could go on a really high time frame and dial it way down and just kind of catch the key turning points. I could go on really low time frames and dial this period up to desensitize it a bit since I'm already on a lower time frame. So all that is available within the indicator. We also have multiple moving average types. So the moving average type is completely different. And you can apply step, a very unique style of step mathematics to the indicator. And you can get it to literally, and really the step, I use it for really high time frame swing trading. And you can see it basically keeps lagging, not lagging, but it's qualifying structural moves on a higher and higher calculation analysis. I'll have to do a separate video and just show you how scary strong this is on higher time frames for like anybody that's doing multi-day position trading or multi-day to multi-week swing trading. That thing is really strong. Like who knows, maybe you're trading stocks, crypto, stuff like that. I can really get this baby dialed in on higher time frames. So there are two different moving average styles. MA2, I'm on MA2 right now. Lift, sell, buy signal, short signal, buy signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. Now, how I use the reversal indicator myself, let's go to MA1, let's go back to 6 for this particular time frame. If I see key levels taken out on the day, say I'm tracking a key level, and I see the market interact with that key level, then I'm willing to take setups. In this case, right out of CPI news leading up to the US cash markets open, we double topped and rotated. I was definitely a seller in here. And then on a static trade, meaning not a dynamic trade, a trade where you just, you get in with one level of quantity, you put your stop above most recent price pivot, get down to about the 1-to-1 mark, stop to break even plus, and you're in the trade. And in this case, we came right down to pre-news support. We had a nice W pattern there leading up to the news yesterday. So a long signal out of there, not surprising. We had a nice rally. This actually was about a minute and a half after the news, or no, I think it was about a minute after the news. Now, I don't trade my mom signals automated for PPI through the news. I wait till about 2-3 minutes after. Same thing with non-farm payrolls and Fed interest rate announcement. I don't let my mom automated strategy come on until 3 minutes. So 3 minutes after the news event. In this case, though, working reversals manually with some bracket orders, it's just fine. You get in, hit your buy, you're in, you got a bracket order with a stop, you got some target out far away, and then as the market's running your intended direction, you have some stair stopping trail mechanism until you blipped out of the trade. You can do bracket trading in Quant Tower. It's not quite there where Ninja Trader was, but the sheer amount of traders that are sophisticated and know what they're doing, and the predominance of them coming over from NT8, they're bombarding Quantar Group with all kinds of good ideas, and I'm seeing some stuff where Quantar is going to start adopting some of the stuff that just completely was user friendly and makes sense. But you can see you can make these reversal signals long, short, continue short, long, short. You can dial them in pretty damn good, and you don't have to use Renkos. You can do time-based charts. You can do Heikin-Ashi charts, range bar, tick bar, volume. Doesn't make any difference. I can get you dialed in on about any instrument and time frame that you potentially could be on. So anyhow, that's one mode for the AIQ indicator, and then the other one I've been talking about the most lately, just because we've now putting out a fully automated strategy to the group. We put it out the other day. We're putting out a new version today with 2 levels of additional features. So we're going to have a really fast evolution of the MOM strategy, the momentum strategy. Like time window, time of day, uh, you know, profit target on the day, max loss on the day, all that stuff's part of the automated system in version 2, plus a tweak to the trail stop mechanism from an idea I got in email. I'm like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Let's do that. But anyhow, let's go in here. Let's go to about a 9, and let's go to MA1, and let's change these signals up. And let's get out of the reversal mode. And let's go into the MOM signal mode. So this is a true dual use indicator. So we go to square signals. I use Aqua for up and Dodger Blue for down. And you can go and you can change the size of the signals, how far they're away from price. We give you all the price positioning, and these are all outputs. So MOM gave me a momentum signal long here, one short there, one short there, one long there, one short there, long, short, so on. So MOM is, I can get you really dialed in on MOM. And the beautiful thing about MOM signals is when we get in, we don't need to have necessarily stop all the way down. So if I get a short, I don't need to have a stop way down at the most recent price pivot. Actually, I forgot I'm on a higher time frame here, so it should be in a 7 for this time frame. The biggest stop I'd ever use on a MOM signal, let's say I got a MOM, and you can use MOM signals for reversals too if you want to. You get some change in direction, but then you want to see a burst of momentum. Okay, then I'm willing to get in and do the reversal. Okay, so I get into the trade. There's my 1 unit of risk. Wherever I get filled on the trade. Market starts running my intended direction. I take any stop if I had it way out by the most recent price pivot. I don't think you need to do that. Move it to break even plus, and you're in the trade. With mom trades, especially when you're on optimized settings, you get into the trade, 2 to 3 bars back, you put your stop, you're in the trade, you have your 1 to 1, market starts pressing past 1 to 1, move your stop to break even plus, and you get something you don't. Get in, take your shot, get something you don't. Get in, take your shot, you get something you don't. Get in, take your shot, get in, take your shot. And it really only takes one decent move on the day out of the open, maybe after a few back and forths to get over uh, a very workable but very profitable daily profit objective. So anyhow, dual mode indicator. You can use the indicator for both reversals and for momentum trading. And I'm not on any optimized settings. I'm just playing around with the settings a bit to show you the adjustability of it. So anyhow, attention for the back. I apologize for the background noise. I'm at a coffee shop and suddenly everybody's all excited about something. So there you have it, Algo IQ program. We do have a July event on the, let's see, 8th, let's see, what are the dates? 6th, 7th, and 8th of July. That's a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So there's a little bit of instruction in the evening on Sunday, and then the main days of the Monday, Tuesday, where we kick off just before the market open and go till about, near the close of each day, into that last hour, and then we wrap it up for the day. And then we have an August date set, and I'm going to put out September and October dates here, probably today or tomorrow. So if you want to, there we go, more price, more profit targets getting hit. I guess we must have had a blip and then bounce back. But anyhow, what I was going to say is if you have any questions, just contact me at info@gridalgo.com. And yeah, I'll start getting back to doing more and more videos. But yeah, the mom signals have been working fantastic. And then I'll do more videos on the reversal trades and how I'm using them, especially in conjunction with price patterns, levels tests, and level sweeps. I'll do a whole 15-minute video on that this week alone. Okay, there you have it. If you have any questions, info@gridalgo.com. Talk to y'all later.